Assalamualaikum, ketemu lagi dengan saya, Adam Bishawa. Di video kali ini saya akan menayangkan kumpulan video drone dari lokasi wisata yang pernah saya datangi, yaitu 1. Pantai Watu Karung Pacitan. Woho, layaknya Raja Ampat di Pacitan. Destinasi yang kedua yaitu air terjun Bidadari di Panggung-Rejo, Blitar. Surga tersembunyi di Blitar Selatan. Lokasi yang ketiga yaitu di Puncak Watu Bengkah, Gunung Klotok, Kediri, Jawa Timur. Dari sini kita bisa melihat kota Kediri dari lantai 2. Dan yang keempat adalah Pantai Teluk Asmara di Malang Selatan. Super keren, ini juga Raja Ampat di Jawa Timur. Anjay. Nah, kita ngedronnya di Villa Puncak Bukit Asmara. Mantap sekali view-nya. Oke, ini lokasi kelima yaitu di Puncak B9 Gunung Butak, Blentreng, Mojokerto. Ini juga keren. Lanjut ke lokasi keenam, kita ngedrone di TPI Sendang Biru atau Pelabuhan Pulau Sempu. Nah, inilah dia Teluk Sempu. Nah, ini surganya seafood di sini. Kalian layak mencoba untuk datang ke sini, hunting ikan segar-segar dan murah. Lokasi terakhir adalah Sini Campground di Gresik, Gandusari, Blitar. Nah, tonton terus video ini hingga tuntas karena keindahan akan tersaji di kumpulan video drone ini. Yes. Sebelum lanjut videonya, jangan lupa subscribe dan nyalakan lonceng.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. And I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad,
Yeah.
baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Hati ini tergerak sebab kuasamu. Sebatas manusia biasa, hanyut atas ciptaanmu. Bukan bersumber sebab gengsi, bukan pula sebab pembuktian diri, namun hanyalah sebatas kerendahan hati. Begitu banyak manusia sebut ini hobi, tanpa merenung atas filosofi. Bukan pujangga, bukan pula pandai rangkai kata, hanyalah sebutir pasir terhembus penjuru Nusantara.
du soleil, pas 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 du soleil.
Hey, I got something to say. I'm just so sick of hearing everyone complain. I know it's tough and I know there's pain, but hitting bottom is the only way to change. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what work is. I've seen a lot of people who don't know what thirst is. I've had a taste of evil and tried to cure the sickness, but I just keep my head down and focus on the facts. I'm setting down gravel while you just follow the path. I'll lead them into battle while you're just too scared to act. I'll leave the knife right in my back. So I'll keep hustling, you keep struggling. Bitch, I'm humbling, keep mumbling. I'll keep doubling, you keep bluffing. You've got nothing, I'll keep hustling.
Terima kasih telah menonton video ini hingga tuntas. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan share.
Baiklah, terima kasih untuk kalian yang sudah nonton video saya hingga akhir. Lalu jangan lupa tonton video saya yang lainnya, karena akan ada keseruan dan petualangan yang tersaji di video yang lainnya. Thank you teman-teman, ketemu lagi di lain waktu ya. Yes, see you soon.